Hello guys, so I'm giving out this strategy for free, completely free, 100%. All right, so if you check my channel, you realize that most of the strategies up there, like almost all the strategies up there, are my original strategies, because I always take time. That's why you don't see me, I don't rush strategies, right? Cannot just come and start dropping strategy unnecessarily. I take my time to backtest my strategy over 100 times, then see the winning rate. So this very strategy, over 90 to 95% winning rate. The accuracy is crazy, right? So this is a strategy I'm giving out for free. So I'd like you guys to show me some love by smashing the like button, the subscribe button, drop some sweet comments, share this video with friends, and don't forget to join our free Telegram channel for more updates and signals. And let's grow together. Right? All right. So this strategy is for boom and crash. We use it to trade crash 1000, boom 1000, crash 500, crash 1000, right? With this strategy, and it's killing the markets already. It's killing the markets. If you look at the crash 1000, this was our entry on crash 1000. It's still dropping. I'll show you guys the settings for this video, and also how to trade this strategy with this strategy. Okay, yeah. So now the first thing I'll show you the settings, though I've really dropped the settings in the other video, so this video shouldn't be long. Look at this. We have three indicators. We have the RSI, we have the bulls power, we have the MACD. The first thing you need to bring in is the relative strength index. All right, then the period is 14, apply to low levels there. You can screenshot 80, 90, 10, and 20. Okay, so the color is green because my background is white, so you must use color that will be shown. You'll be able to see on your charts, right? You click on done, then you go back again, you add the bulls power. The period is 20, levels are no levels. You can choose any color, use red. All right, then we go back again. MACD, the fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 90, apply to close. The signal must be the same. If you're using white background, your your MT5 is white background. Make sure that you're using white so that it will not be seen. I don't want it to be seen. There's no need for it, right? So click on done. Now for this strategy, whenever markets gets to, you need to observe your bulls power, which is the red indicator here on the indicator window one. It must touch the level 20 or level 10. Okay, so once it moves away from there, as it's going up here, you can see this level, this place here. To do something like this, then it goes to the level 80 or level 90. So as it's going there, you also confirm the RSI, which is this green indicator here, as it's going up, right? So once it touches the level, RSI touches level 80 or 90, you're selling. 90 is better, you're selling at that level, okay, and allow it to play out, right? Then also, before you sell, you also need to confirm on the indicator window 2. This indicator, this MACD must come down here, must be down here below this red line. It must be below this red line. If it does not go below this red line, then it's a foul, like it's not, the signal is not going to be accurate, right? Okay, so once it comes below this level and it goes up again to this point and crosses this red line upward, so you'll be looking for sell when you have this other side aligning with this other side, right? You're looking for sell. So remember, this strategy only uses to catch spike on B1000. You don't use it to scalp, please. I've never used it to scalp, so I can't tell you guys to scalp with it. Okay, so, and also you use 1 minute time frame. You are using 1 minute time frame to trade this strategy. The zoom level should be this zoom level 1. This is 2. You are using 2 zoom level. I don't know about Android. Android could be the third zoom level, I don't know, but you are using the second zoom level. and the screen, you're dropping your screen, just anyhow you drop your screen is still okay. So far you can see what you're doing is very much okay. Right? So this red line, before you start asking, this red line, I brought it in. Let me delete it. It's my horizontal line. Click on the horizontal line, bring the red line, place right there in between. All right, so that if it crosses, you'll be able to know, you'll be able to tell that it has crossed that line. Okay, so yeah, once it crosses the line down, if you cannot understand, if you don't understand, check the last video uploaded on this channel. That is where you'll be able to, to really learn, to know how the strategy works. Okay, this is the first of its kind. Like, nobody, I wanted to drop this strategy next year, 2024, but I decided to drop it this year because of the love I've seen so far. So make sure that you appreciate by joining the free Telegram channel. Join our academy. Learn. You need to learn price action, purely price action, how to analyze the financial market, and also we provide signals. Okay, VIP signals, high quality signals. So you need to join and learn our signals, right? And make money using our signals. Then account management, you have up to $200 or above, you can bring for us to trade for you. We make money and we share the profits. All right, don't send money to anybody to manage for you, please. Don't send money to anybody to do the management for you. It does not work, right? So yeah, I think that'll be all now. I don't want this video to be very long. Like I said, check the last video for more explanation. So for boom, remember what I told you, market must get to this level for crash. And this one here must be, market must move from down here, then cross this line up. Once it crosses this line, you'll be looking for selling opportunity when you also have the RSI at level 80 or 90, and also have this red indicator touching this level, then pushes up to this point, then you'll be looking to sell. All right, so those are the confirmation. Then for boom, wow, I forgot to close this trade. It will spike definitely. So for boom, the same thing. You wait for market to get to this overbought level, then drops back. The rate indicator drops back to this level 20, level 10. Okay, then your RSI at the same time is doing the same thing. Then on the indicator window 2, market should drop back to this point like this. Then you should be looking to buy when it drops back and crosses this line, and you wait for this other side to align, then you're looking for buy, you buy, right? So that'll be all for now, guys. Thank you.